Once you have chosen the product you want to sell, your next step is to locate a supplier who can provide it for you or manufacture it on your behalf. The most effective approach is often to look overseas, particularly in China, where you will generally find suppliers that deliver excellent quality and reliable manufacturing at highly competitive prices. One of the most valuable resources for discovering products and connecting with manufacturers is Alibaba.com. However, if you are new to online selling, I understand that sourcing products and selecting a trustworthy manufacturer on Alibaba.com can feel intimidating at first. In this lesson, I will demonstrate how straightforward the process actually is when using Alibaba.com to generate product ideas or to identify a manufacturer for a concept you may already have in mind. I will also outline best practices for selecting and communicating with suppliers, and I will explain how you can use ChatGPT to create a free initial contact template. By asking ChatGPT to include questions about minimum order quantity, price, customization, lead time, and shipping terms, you can instantly generate a professional draft message containing all the essential details you need in your very first inquiry.